your breath. Quickly, quickly. Catch your breath. Are your horses in place? Keep your eye on your lane. Steady with your pace. I know it's been so hard to go against the 10. I know you want that to win. How much time do you take about your day?
Alright, so this is a wig I saw on TikTok. I saw a lot of wig influencers wear this and it looks so beautiful. It was like right up my alley. So I have type 4 hair, so I'm always looking for something that's going to blend with my hair texture. This is from Outre. This is a half wig and I have it in the style Poppy. And I have a color number 2. That's my go-to color because it matches my hair the best. So here is what Poppy looks like. It has like flipped out ends. This is what she looks like on the stock card here. It has like a 60s vibe to it. So it has 2 small combs at the front. Then we have a comb in the back. And we also have adjustable straps. Now I have my natural hair pressed out from a different half wig. And I'll probably have to hit it with a little bit more heat. But we're just going to try this on and see what it looks like just placed on my head. This is what it looks like just plopped on my head before I do anything to it. This is cute. It gives like a Stepford Wives kind of look. I feel like I'm from the 60s or something. It did blend down very easily. I like that. I mean, not much to it, but I'm gonna knock. It has a little bit of shine at the top, so I'm gonna use my dry shampoo to knock that down. This is really cute. So I do have a wig grip on just so it's less tension on my natural hair because the combs will be inside or tucked under the wig grip and not, you know, causing so much tension on my actual hair because my natural hair breaks easily, kind of fragile. Just making sure I cover the wig line. I feel like this is a wig that like Hillary from Fresh Prince would have worn in the 90s. Alright, so this is cute. Real cute. You know, this, you don't really even see this side, but I'm gonna do some little sideburns. And this is just a pencil flat iron. I use it because my hair is short up front and people use this on their pixie cuts. This is really pretty. I like the vibes of this. If you want to see how it looks on other people, definitely search on TikTok because there's a lot of beautiful like influencers that have this and I love how it looks on everybody. This is so unique to my collection because I don't have a lot of wigs that come with a flipped out style like this. This is so cute. Blending my hair into this bang. It already has like a layer up here. This is really cute. And it has a layer over here, layers over here, like shorter layers to where I would want mine up there. So I don't even have to do it because it's already done for me. I'm going to put a little bit of hairspray right here just to conceal the wig band. But this is so cute. I'm going to brush mine out more because I do feel like it looks more full on the model. Opposed to me, it looks more thin. I'm gonna brush it out. Let's see. Okay, I guess you gotta flip it out. Maybe even back comb it, but I'm not gonna do that. This is another like 90s vibe half wig. Cause before I'm doing this, I reviewed Outre Flow 5 and that gave like a 90s wrap look, but this one, it looks like when I first put it on and it had the flips, it looks 60s, but it also reminds me of the 90s as well, like a 90s blowout. This is gorgeous. Color number 2, that's the color that blends best with my hair. This is really beautiful. 10 out of 10. I love this. Shout out to everybody who influenced me to buy this. It was like several ladies on TikTok. I really love this. This might be, I'm trying to think, this might be my favorite wig I've tried this year. I'll have to think, but this is gorgeous. If you have a yucky texture, if your natural hair is like in the type 4 range, this is a good wig, because it's like, I feel like it's like relaxed hair, and my hair is not relaxed, but I finessed with, you know, heat and everything. Oh my gosh. Really and truly, I'm in love with this. I was thinking about getting the other color that's on the model. She has DR Chocolate Swirl, and I like that color, but it's just black hits. This is gorgeous. Nice texture, this yucky texture, the flips, the layers that they added. Outre did a really great job with this one. Oh my god. Certain wigs, it's like, okay, that's my signature wig. Like Outre brand, that's one of my favorite bobs, but it's discontinued. I've been searching for it, and I don't think they're bringing that back. But that's a wig that just automatically looks good on me every time I wear it. And this just looks great on me with minimal effort. I love this. Oh my gosh. This is giving like Hillary Banks for real. I'm here for it. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get mini twist, but once I get those out, I will be wearing this. This is gorgeous. 10 out of 10. Okay? But if you're some people who are like new to synthetic wigs, they always ask, you know, will it tangle or how long it lasts. It's a synthetic wig. It is not going to last you a long time, especially if you wear it every single day. If I like a wig and it's synthetic, I will buy 2 of them, because I know if I wear it a lot, it's not going to last that long, like a couple weeks. I showed you guys Outre Romina back in May. It was very popular, and I was just wearing it a lot in fashion content, and it got tangled up, and I had to, well, I bought a backup because I knew that color was going to be popular, but I'm glad I brought a backup because it got tangled within like the first 2 times I wore it. So that just comes with the territory of synthetic wigs. But this one is on the straight side, so I would recommend using Simply Styling silicone spray and a paddle brush to get the tangles out. But this is the first time I'm wearing this, so it's fine right now, but I'll probably have to buy a backup. And I'll probably buy a backup before I even post this video, because my god, this is gorgeous. I love everything about it. The length, the texture, the layers, how well it blends with my natural hair. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. So if you're interested in this wig, you can head over to my Amazon storefront. It should be there. It should be in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Drop me a comment down below. What do you think about this wig? Are you feeling it? Do you want to see more half wigs from me? And make sure to like this video, hype it up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm mobbing around it to take over. Girl, can you keep up? Gotta push your stamina all the way. Thought I told you so, you didn't know. When you step up on the floor with me, you got to move your feet.